What's up, friends? I just received these brushed gold privacy door handles with magnetic door latch. Let's check it out. Installation is very easy. It should not take more than 5 to 10 minutes with simple instructions. The latch is compatible with most handle knobs, which has a 8.8 millimeters square spindle. Magnetic door latch is smooth and quiet. These handles have a nice surface and they are heavy duty. It's actually a good weight and good quality. We will have instructions, more tools for the knob door.